How to make someone fall in love with you. Number 1. Smile and be happy. As much as possible, don't forget to enjoy yourself, and let it show. The happier you are, the more your lover will be drawn to your positive vibes. Flash a genuine smile often, be enjoyable and outgoing, laugh at his jokes, and be optimistic. Guys generally love girls with a sense of humor, who can make them feel good. Number 2. Be kind and considerate. Always say thank you in every little thing he does for you. Compliment him, give him time, or lend him a helping hand. Showing your kind personality will increase your lover's affection for you. Number 3. Ask him about his day. Asking your lover how his day went shows how much you care about him, but listening to his response proves how much you love him. This only serves as a simple reminder to him that someone cares about both the big and small aspects of his day. Number 4. Be yourself. Take your mask off and let him know that you accept yourself as you are. Your boyfriend wouldn't want to see the fake you. Besides, if you do end up with that person for the rest of your life, he'll eventually going to see the real you. So, if you want him to stay madly in love with you, be yourself right from the start. Your authenticity breeds deep intimacy, which is something both guys and girls crave.